Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the alternator on a Kia Rio. First, always prioritize safety by disconnecting the negative terminal of your 12-volt battery. This prevents any accidental electrical shocks. Gather your tools, including a ratchet, various wrenches, and a serpentine belt tool. Make sure your engine is completely cool before you begin any work to avoid burns. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth and safe repair process. Now, let's get to removing the old alternator. Locate the serpentine belt tensioner, usually a spring-loaded pulley, and use your serpentine belt tool to release its tension. Carefully remove the belt from the alternator pulley. Next, disconnect any electrical connections, typically one main power wire and a smaller connector. Finally, unbolt the alternator's mounting bolts, usually 2 or 3, and carefully remove the old unit. With the old alternator out, it's time to install the new one. Carefully position the new alternator into its mounting bracket and secure it with the mounting bolts. Make sure they are tightened properly. Reconnect all the electrical wires, ensuring they are snug and secure. Then, carefully route the serpentine belt back around all the pulleys, making sure it sits correctly in each groove. This step is crucial for proper operation. You're almost done. Now, retension the serpentine belt using your tool, ensuring it has the correct amount of tension. It shouldn't be too loose or too tight. Double-check all your connections and bolts to confirm everything is secure. Finally, reconnect the negative battery terminal. Start your engine and observe the dashboard for the battery light. It should turn off, indicating your new alternator is charging properly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.